So William's Revenge is the story of William, who feels betrayed and is seeking vengeance, and so he's hatched this plan that he wants the whole town of Llandovery to get involved with. So he's organised this meeting in the castle, and he's trying to get everyone on board with his grand romantic plan to take back what is rightfully his. It is at its heart a comedy, but it is both poignant and affectionate, and really says a lot about the collective nature of a community and how important it is to the people in that community to be a part of it.
Shumai! Wow. Goodness, I'm completely overwhelmed by the turnout. In fact, I'm touched that so many of you have given up your valuable time to be here today. After the epic disaster last time, well, I was worried nobody would turn up, to be quite honest. You're a brave and loyal bunch. Thank you for your support.
I wouldn't say is a challenge, but rather the opportunity is that we have a small period of extreme focus where everyone's coming together, and luckily we're working with fantastic artists, both actors, costume makers, producers, organisers, people gathering media, that are all working together collectively in the space to create high quality Welsh art in a small period of time.
This mission is very personal, a cause very close to my heart. My broken, shattered heart. Thank you. Llandovery is a special place. Hey, I'm preaching to the choir here, I know. What makes it truly special? You lot.
You would think that making theatre not in a theatre would be a problem, but I think so many opportunities arise from that. First of all, this play has been written site-specifically. The play is based on a true story where a plot was hatched in the castle hotel, and here we are doing it on site in the place. So the location has special meaning to the play. The play is about being in a room having a meeting, and we are in a room having a meeting. There is no fourth wall, there's no audience and stage. This is a real scenario that's being played out.
Let us begin. Before I forget, housekeeping rules. Please make sure your mobile phones are on the aeroplane mode. No videos or pictures. This is not a photo opportunity. No voice. Do you know what? Just turn the bloody phones off completely, please. Oh. Better safe than sorry. There will be no minutes or note-taking of any kind. You'll have to do your very best to memorise every detail pertaining to your role in the mission.
We are here to entertain. The play is really funny. I also hope that they're taken on a bit of a journey emotionally. Not just laugh, but maybe they might feel empathetic for our characters. Most of all, I hope that because the work is written about Llandovery and we're performing it in Llandovery, there is a sense of this art, this work, being for the town and by the town. And we hope that they get a sense of their community being put into art, being immortalised and documented in something that lasts longer than the moment.
Now, we've only booked this room for 15 minutes, so let's not waste any more time. Any questions will just have to wait.